Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we unlock the layers in Autocad. So first let's lock the layers. Just click on this drop down option and let's lock all the layers. Now as you can see, if you're gonna edit these layers, then you can't edit it because it's locked. So to unlock it, just click on this option in this layers group and now your command will be activated. And now you can select the layers which you wanna unlock. As you can see now, just after clicking this pink line, that is border, this border layers is now unlocked. Similarly, I can do the same using shortcut. I will use command LAYUL. Enter. I will select the yellow lines, yellow layers, windows, and so this way you can unlock the layers in this AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.